Today we leave home behind in high speed. Earth disappears beneath us, and within moments, our entire solar system becomes just another point of light. Ahead of us stretches the vast stellar ocean of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Hundreds of billions of stars spread across a structure so vast that light itself needs 100,000 years to cross it. But our destination today is not inside this galaxy. It lies far beyond it. And if you stay with us until the end of this journey, you will witness something extraordinary. A physics-based simulation as a bonus for this video. But first, we need to find the monster. So we keep moving outward, leaving our galaxy behind. And then, another island appears in the darkness. The Large Magellanic Cloud. A satellite galaxy orbiting the Milky Way about 160,000 light-years from Earth. Now crossing into the Large Magellanic Cloud, we pass through vast clouds of hydrogen gas. Regions where new stars are born. Radiation from massive young suns illuminates the surrounding nebulae. Entire stellar systems are forming here. Yet somewhere in this galaxy, another star is reaching the end of its life. A giant surrounded by enormous clouds of dust. And as we travel deeper through the galaxy, a faint dot begins to appear ahead of us. Growing slowly. Becoming brighter. And larger. This is WOH G64, also known as the Behemoth Star. WOH G64 is a red supergiant in one of the final stages of stellar evolution. Stars like this expand dramatically as their fuel begins to run out. They shed enormous amounts of material, creating vast envelopes of gas and dust around them. But what makes this particular star remarkable is its staggering size. To understand it, we need a comparison. Here is our Sun. A star so large that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Yet beside WOH G64, our Sun becomes almost insignificant. Now, what would happen if we replaced our Sun with this giant? Well, sit back and watch. Its surface would probably swallow Saturn. Everything closer than that would simply be gone. As we promised, this is the bonus. Look what happens when we unfreeze time in our simulator. Watch carefully. The solar system begins to fall apart with the giant at its center. As the Behemoth Star starts to follow its orbit around the Milky Way, we can see the main objects that orbit it are Neptune and Pluto only, and a few trans-Neptunian objects. The rest? Completely gone. That's our solar system turning into absolute chaos.